how to use the app Insfolio. Miko wants to say hi. Hi, sweetie. Today we are talking apps because I really wanted to share with you about Insfolio. And so you are probably wondering what is Insfolio anyways and why you're talking about this today, Justine. Basically, Insfolio is an app that have everything you need for your Instagram account and your brand. The app will allow you to schedule your post, build a filter, and plan your Instagram stories, as well as making your highlight cover right into the app. There's so much more. There's so much more you can do. Let's get right into today's video. Hi, what's up? Welcome back and welcome if you are new. My name is Justine Leimer. I am working into digital marketing world, and here on YouTube I love to talk about social media, graphic design, and to show you how to edit pictures and all of that. So if you are into that kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video because I am about to share with you a lot of good info about Insfolio. Let's go. So before we start, I have to tell you that I have the VIP version of Insfolio. So everything I am going to do is with the Pro version. The app for the VIP version is $39.99 a year. When it's the first time you are downloading the app, it's going to ask you to sign in and to link your Instagram account. So this is what you are going to do. So now we are on the interface of what is going on when you finally set up your account. Tell Insfolio what your account is all about. Are you a business? Are you a content creator? Here is what is going on in the app. In the top, you can see create new design. And so from there, you will be able to create either a filter, a story, a highlight cover, or logo. So if you are a newbie and don't have a brand yet, this is a great way to start your brand on Instagram and on any other social media. Let's create a filter, shall we? The thing that I really like about Insfolio is that creating a filter, it's like a Lightroom, I would say. This is a good version of Lightroom. So you can edit a lot of settings right into Insfolio and then keep that filter and reuse it to every other picture. So you can either take one of the filter Insfolio already has for you. Miko is back there. Or you can do none and start editing your picture on the adjustment that you have right after filters. Now I am going to go and I'm going to do save as a brand filter. And here on the bottom, this is all the other filter that I made. And so when you like the filter you do save as a brand filter and you can name your filter, and now you have your picture with your branded filter that you can reuse to every single picture. So after that you can schedule it. So this is where the scheduling part's coming. So you can write your caption and then say, alright, I'm going to publish that Friday. You will see that the post is scheduled over there. So I have other examples that I have made to see how that works. If you don't like the caption that you write, you go back into save, you go back into schedule, and you can write your caption and save it again. Or you can move things over to see how it's going to look on your profile. So if you think this picture is going to look better in between those two pictures, this is when you can change and look in advance how your profile is going to look like. Let's move on. Let's go back into the home page where you can see filter, story, highlight, cover, and logo. And here there is a little bubble with a round and it's called brand kit. And this is the thing that is awesome and that you need to do. So if you go into brand kit, you can choose the name of your business, what's your industry about. So this is something that you've done before when you created your account. Then he asks you about your logo, and after he asks you to add your brand colors. You can add your brand colors, and after you can add other colors. So You also have your filter here, okay? And you can add your own font. So let's do that. Oh, I have some fonts over there. So now that you have everything, let's make a story. And you can also schedule your stories, guys. So that's pretty cool. So here are all of the templates that you can use and that is already going to be branded. So let's make a digital one. And then let's go with this one, for example. There is two other things that we can do into Insfolio. So I told you, pretty complete. We just did our brand kit, made a filter, schedule an Instagram post, branding our stories, and you can also schedule it. But now, highlight cover. So if you're going to profile here, you can see your profile. So I was playing with the things around, but delete. So here there is like different new. And so we're going to replace that by highlights cover. So if you're going to create and you go into highlight cover, you can choose whatever highlight cover you want. Really like a pen, so let's do preview. So if you use the pen, this is how it would look like on your account. If you use doodle, this is how it will look like on your account. So you can see in advance how that is going to look like. I can even change. I can put some kind of texture on the back. Say I want some kind of gold. I can take this and say that I want to replace it and add new graphic. And when I'm done, press the check mark, share to Instagram or add to profile. And here on my profile, you can see this is how it's going to look like if I use this Instagram cover. Once again, if you are new into the branding world and don't have your logo yet, Insfolio is really cool because you can create your logo for your Instagram right into the app and look at how it's going to look before even using it on your account. So let's go into create again and let's go into logo. And from here you have tons and tons of logo that you can use for your brand. Let's say accessory. You have 43 different logo for accessory. Look at all of that. Beauty, perfume, hair salon, nail salon, bakery. I mean, there is a logo for a lot of industry. So let's say I really like this one, but I want to change it because obviously my name is not Apple A. So I'm going to change this. You can save as a square, save as a circle. You can save with a transparent background. So this is what we're gonna do. Let's see how it's gonna look. If you go into project, here is all of the things we've done today. You guys know that Insfolio is still working on it, okay? There's always room for improvement, and I'm sure they're going to do way more things for post scheduling and story scheduling, but what they did, the concept of this app is amazing. So let me know in the comment down below if you are about to download this app, if this video has been helpful in any way, and if you want to see more of those kind of video for future apps, let me know down below what apps you would love me to talk about next time. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to don't miss any of my future video like this one, and don't forget to of course like this video. That will highly help me out. Until next time, take care and I will see you in my next one. Bye.